Hi, to adjust ringtone volume on your iPhone 13, go in the settings first and here select the tab sounds and haptics. So after that you can see right in the first tab ringtone and alerts this slider which we can drag right to add volume or left to reduce volume. Let's try this out. So that is how you change volume for the ringtone. Also, you can enable this feature to change it with the help of buttons. And now when you will be pressing volume up or volume down buttons, you will change the ringtone's volume. If you disable it, you will change the system's volume, just like that. In the ringtone section, you can choose any sound for your ringtone. You can also go in the classic and find another options. You can go in the haptics and here select another option from the list and you can create your new vibration here. So that is it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.